I'm Sukrit and I'm the sales director at Mac Blinds. We've been in the window blinds industry for more than 4 decades, and that has helped us become a household name. Both Somfy and Mac are popularizing the advantages of motorized blinds to the consumers, and there is a certain segment of consumers who are slightly hesitant in going in for an automated solution, and that's why we are offering 5-year warranty on Somfy motorized products. Our blinds are being installed by homeowners, hospitality industry, retail spaces, and even private offices. Whether the customer wants the blind to be connected to a smart home automation system or to be controlled by remote, because Somfy offers motors for both types. So in case a motorized blind is an afterthought for you, so we also have solutions wherein we offer wire-free motors, so that can allow you to have a motorized blind without the need of a wire. So from the wooden blinds to metal venetians, taking you to honey cell or the Aptimus, we've got the widest product portfolios as far as window blinds are concerned. From rich natural grains in the wood to plain color tones, we have covered every color type that a wood slat can be offered in. So the motorized blinds can be controlled with the help of remotes, wireless switches, and also that Somfy has a smart home device called the Homa, which can allow you to control the blinds via app or voice control. We also offer motorized solutions for skylight Roman blinds. Skylight Roman blinds are a great product if you want to have a view of the sky. So if it's a sunny day, then you can close them, whereas on an overcast day, you can open them. In the last few years, we invested a lot in machinery to make our production processes as automated as possible. So for any new product which Somfy launches, it also takes the responsibility of training our staff as how it needs to be programmed and installed. Each one of our blinds is being tested before being handed out to our end consumer. We've been associated with Somfy for almost 20 years now, and I think Somfy is one of our most reliable and long-standing partners. And the reason behind that is because we share a common vision of offering quality and performance-driven products.